My name's Linda Lee. I've spent my life fishing, herping, hiking, and just exploring the natural world around me. On this fine day in July, me and a group of friends set off with on-the-mark fishing to catch some dinosaurs. Sturgeon are in an order of ray-finned fishes called Anthopensiformes. Anthopensiformes fish have been on this earth an estimated 200 million years. Our guide and good friend Mark set up some rods, and it wasn't very long until we started getting bites. White sturgeon are bottom fish. With no teeth, they suck up food along the bottom, feeling around with their barbels as they have very poor eyesight.
They're your seagulls.
Today, sturgeon still relic fossils found during the late Cretaceous period, making them a true living dinosaur.
Oh, my back.
After Jeff and Crystal, it was my turn to reel in a prehistoric friend. For commonly being referred to as dinosaurs, we must remember not all dinosaurs were scary. Sturgeon are docile creatures, heavy fish, jumping maybe once or twice when hooked, but mostly just pulling.
Okay, are we ready?
Yep.
Okay, buddy. Nice.
Even though not my biggest, I am always excited to get up close and see a sturgeon. I wished him good luck, and we continued fishing throughout the day, eating food and having good laughs. Until another fish sucked up our bait.
Oh shit.
You're good.
There's enough line on here.
Oh, yeah. We're chasing
Big one. Fuck. You just pulled. I turned it. Oh my gosh. Should I jump?
Oh, I missed it. Mark was in the way.
Holy shit. I can't even break thing right now. My truck is done. Oh, he's done.
You get Linda paparazzi too.
Crystal had hooked what appeared to be the biggest fish of the day, taking out almost all the line on the reel. It was an awesome fight to watch, and we were all anxious to see what was on the end of the line.
I might need some help.
Pardon?
I might need some help.
Okay, sure. You're putting the camera down. Do you want me to just take it, or do you want me to? What do you want? Take it.
After reeling in over 3/4 to the boat, I jumped in to give a helping hand.
Yeah, photo on that. Ooh,
Splashy splash.
I missed him again.
Which turned out to be not so helpful, as I ended up tangling the sturgeon in a log. I was so anxious I would lose Crystal's fish. But in the end, we got him free and were able to take him to shore for a photo.
How do you feel, Linda?
How do you feel? You reeled him in half the way. I'm stuck on a log, so. There you go. Let's get photos of him.
It was a beautiful specimen at 6 feet long, bringing an end to our day with sore arms. Like this video? Subscribe for more upcoming content. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys all soon on my next video.